Hi friends, we're talking about cars this week. This is cool cars. Cars are really handy for getting us around. They whiz along the busy roads and make a zoomy sound. Cars can come in many shapes, in sizes large or tiny. Here's a really little car and one that's big and shiny. A car must have a driver to make it start and go. Drivers take a test to check the things that they know. Traffic lights, road markings, signs all along the way. You have to read them quickly and do the things they say. How old do you think you have to have a driver's license? That's an interesting question. The steering wheel directs the car and turns it left to right. The mirrors help keep other traffic well in sight. You use your feet to press the pedals down upon the floor. One stops the car completely and one makes it speed up more. To keep it running smoothly, your car needs time to care. Check the oil and water, pump the tires with air. Fill its tank with gasoline and drive it through the wash. The wipers clear the windshield with a swishy, swishy swash. Going through the car wash is one of my favorite things. Convertibles are really great for driving in the sun. The top folds down, that comes right off to make the driving fun. If you're driving off the road on ground that's really rough, a sturdy four-wheel driver is the best, with tires thick and tough. Look at that. Some cars are built for racing. They zip along so fast. It's noisy and exciting as they all roar past. Police cars have a siren and warning lights that flash to show they're chasing criminals or rushing to a crash. Some cars are really fancy. They gleaming limousines. They're used to carrying movie stars and presidents and queens. But anyone who's out in town and needs to take a ride can hail a passing taxi cab and quickly jump inside. Sometimes there's a traffic jam and vehicles all get stuck. So if you're in the middle, you're really out of luck. Look at that, a lot of traffic. But when the roads are clear and weather's fine and bright, a car ride in the country can be full with delight. We've packed the yummy picnic. It's warm and sunny day. Let's buckle up seatbelts and then we're on our way. Beep, beep. And here are all the car parts. There's a trunk, the windshield, the steering wheel, the engine, the emergency brakes to make it stop in case you can't use your regular brake, and wheels that go round and round. That's about cars. Bye, friends.